Howdy folks, we got a Whirlpool French door refrigerator for you today. Complaint on it is no cool. It's not cooling in the fresh food section, and it's not cooling in the freezer. We're going to check temps first. Looks like we got 59 degrees in the fresh food section, which you want it to be around 37. And in the freezer, 53. This thing is on and I can hear fans running. So we know all fans are good. So we're going to get back here and check out this compressor. Take off that back panel and compressor's not running. And you will hear an audible click here in a second. All right, you hear that? And then we will hear another one here soon. That right there is an indication that this start device is bad. So I got one and we're going to swap her out. But the first thing we're going to do is disconnect power just by unplugging it. Then we're going to take this start device off. Need some pliers. Just pull that clip off. That's what holds the start device in place. Once you get that off, you can pull that start device off. And then you're going to swap over that capacitor from that start device there onto the new one. Alright, start device is off. Now all we have to do is get that harness off. Once you get the harness off, here's your old one, there's your new one. You just swap over the capacitor to the new one, then you put the new one back on. Start device is on. We're going to put the grounding wire back on along with the wire connection here. There's only one way you can put that on, so there's no wrong way to do it. You can go ahead and test it now to make sure it works before you put this thing back on. But I'm going to go ahead and put it on, you know, just the same way you took it off. Start from the bottom, wrap it around, clip it back into place. Now we're going to plug her in and see if this compressor starts. It'll only take a few seconds or so, but you should hear this compressor fire right up. There she is. Compressor is going, good to go. But that's it. This is a no cool on a Whirlpool French door refrigerator with a start device. So if you need this start device, it will be linked in the description below. So if you need it, go ahead and pick her up. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.